So today we will discuss PPH related questions. Triple P procedure. Okay, so triple P procedure is a 3-step surgical technique that involves perioperative localization of the placental edge in delivery of the fetus above the upper border of the placenta, pelvic devascularization, placental non-separation with myometrial excision. Rule of 30 for massive obstetric hemorrhage. Estimated blood loss 30% of normal. So when there is blood loss, there will be fall in hemoglobin by 30% and fall in hematocrit by 30%. Systolic blood pressure falls by 30 mmHg and pulse will increase by 30 beats per minute. So in E motive, E stands for early detection of postpartum hemorrhage, M massage of uterus, O oxytocic drugs, T tranexamic acid, I IV fluids, and E stands for examination of genital tract and escalation. So 4 R's of obstetric hemorrhage include readiness, recognition, response, and reporting. So how will you approach to postpartum hemorrhage? When there is major obstetric hemorrhage, means blood loss is greater than 1000 ml, continue major obstetric hemorrhage or clinical shock. Then first call for help. Senior midwife, obstetrician and anesthetist, alert hematologist, alert blood transfusion laboratory, alert consultant obstetrician on call. Do resuscitation, airway, breathing and circulation. Oxygen mask, give 15 liters of oxygen. Maintain fluid balance, 2 liter isotonic crystalloid and 1.5 liter colloid. Blood transfusion, O negative or group specific blood. Blood products FFP, platelet, cryoprecipitate and factor 7A and keep patient warm. Monitoring and investigation. Insert 2 14 gauge cannula, SAND CBC coagulation profile, urea and electrolyte LFTs, cross match 4 units FFP, platelet and cryoprecipitate. Do ECG, oximeter, catheterize the patient, hemoglobin bedside testing, arrange blood products, consider central and arterial lines, commence record chart, weigh all swabs and estimate blood loss. In medical treatment, firstly you have to do the bimanual massage. Empty the bladder, give oxytocin 5 international units, slow IV, repeat if necessary, ergometrine 0.5 mg, slow IV or IM, oxytocin infusion 40 international unit in 500 ml, carboprost 0.25 mg IM every 15 minutes up to 8 times, carboprost intramyometrial 0.5 mg, misoprostol 100 micrograms sublingually, consider tranexamic acid 1 gram IV. Consider taking patient to the operation theatre. Is the uterus contracted? Examination under anesthesia. Has any clotting abnormality has been corrected? Intrauterine balloon tamponade, brace suture and consider interventional radiology. In surgery, do stepwise uterine devascularization. First bilateral internal iliac ligation and then consider uterine artery embolization. Hysterectomy should be done by second experienced clinician. After managing PPH, shift the patient to high dependency unit or ICU.